how tight it is. Shit ain't easy, bro. Shit tight. You got guys that don't put them all the way back in there like this motherfucker. See everything full, so mine ain't got no room. Oh, I got one right here? Got one.
See, they don't even teach that in the school, man.
Why you don't teach that shit? Look at that shit. No pull-ups. No pull-ups. Badass training.
Okay.
Badass training. US Xpress. Badass training. Look at that shit. No pull-ups. Badass training.
Yo.
God.
Yes, sir.
Look at that shit, boy. Look at that shit.
Out here. Sir. Out here. Doing a little ride along, you feel me? My boy. Dropping the trailer. Huh? Yeah.
Right here. The airline. Yup, put it up. There you go. Yup. Get the other one. Yup. Get the one in the middle. That's electric. Pull it. Yup. Red first. Right. Boom.
Oh, all right, head up.
Yeah. Then take this. The electric right there. Go.
Ball game.
You want to pull the fish, we got a button in there for the do it for you.